Hello guys, welcome on channel From Zero to Millionaire. My name is Krzysztof and today I will show you how to make YouTube thumbnails easy and for free. I found in network some website who help you make very fast thumbnails who look very good and for free. This page is called canva.com. This program is for free. Of course, you can buy some version Pro and you get some additional features in this program. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make for free thumbnails for YouTube. Of course, this program have more option than creating YouTube thumbnails because like you see in my desktop, they have a lot of category of designs. So, for example, Facebook posters, presentation, animated social media, Facebook covers, logos, social media, and a lot of more. So now I show you how to prepare YouTube thumbnails. Go to your account and in this search bar type YouTube thumbnails. Like you see, it's a suggested category. You need to click, and now Canva program have a lot of templates ready to use for your channel. You can use it for free. You can change title, change image, and a lot of options. So, for example, we can grab some thumbnails. For example, hiking. And like you see, you have a lot of options to modify this. You can double click and change text here and type something nav, and here type hiking in New York. You can change this image and you can put here your own photos using these uploads. So you can upload here your photo and after that put here, or you can use photos from stock what they have, free image and paid image. Paid image are selected in this icon, and you can see you can buy it for $1, and you have this icon, and you can use this when you have some upper plans like Canva Pro. For this example, we can put some mountains, and this is free, so you can easily put here these photos like this. If you want to put this image below the text, you need to put right click on the mouse and send to back. And like you see, text is upper. It's very simple. You can use some elements, some grids, some shapes, some stickers, some icons, well, whatever you want. For example, we can use here map, and we have some elements for free or paid. You can simply put here, or you can grab some map. Of course, you have option to add additional text. You can just simply click. We have text. We can move this text. We can put nav text. We can change the font, for example this. You can change size of fonts, color, you can change position, spacing, so you have a lot of options. Okay, but we want to create thumbnails for YouTube, so I show you some example. I create new template, blank template, I select blank template. Okay, so now I can put some image. I select some computer. Maybe this photo for free. Now I use some shapes. For example, this. You can rotate every element. Change size. Change color. I grab white color. Now I put some text. It will be how to make thumbnails. Change position to left. Okay, remove this here. Now I change the font family. So this will be maybe Peco sounds. This will be good fonts. I put size 16. Change color or something like this. Little spicy spacing. Fine. Okay, maybe fonts a little bigger. 65. That's too big. 16%. Okay, I added an additional text. It will be easy and free. Change size of this box. Change position. Okay. Font. For example, Aleo. Okay. A little bigger. Okay, now it's very clear. We can group this. Like you can see, I select both of elements, group, and now we can move both one time. Now I add some elements, some shapes. No shapes. I add some YouTube elements. So I put YouTube logo. It's for free. And voila, like you see, couple of minutes and I have good thumbnails what I can use in my video. Now only I need download this, and it's very simple. So yeah, I need push this button download, select what type of this I want, so I grab PNG, pushing download, and now I can use this in my channel from my video. Of course, I can use again this thumbnails, and I can modify this. What I prepared here is saved in my library. So to go to my library, I go into my profile. Here is all your design when you prepare it. So like you see, this is my old what I prepared in this program, and this will be displayed here for a couple of minutes. Like you see, this is what I'm showing you, and this we making together. If you liked this video, please let thumbs up or let some comments, and don't forget subscribe my channel to not miss next video.